The CUBE is the latest in piezoelectric surgery technology from Acteon. The selective cutting and minimally invasive nature of CUBE will change the way almost every dentist thinks about atraumatic tooth extraction when compared to traditional rotary burr and forceps extractions. CUBE extractions are incisionless. The CUBE is only active on hard tissue like bone and does not damage soft tissue. The clinician does not have to cut a flap in the gingiva, which is mandatory for extraction using a rotary burr. With rotary burr extractions, there is immediate destruction and removal of bone tissue. With CUBE, there is no bone loss, providing socket preservation that is paramount for any dentist that wants to do an immediate implant placement. In particular, preservation of the buccal bone is extremely important for atraumatic extractions, and CUBE does an excellent job with this. Patients experience 50% less pain and swelling after a CUBE extraction versus rotary burr extractions. This also leads to prescribing less analgesics and other more dangerous pain medications like opioids. Traditional extractions with forceps can also be physically taxing on dentists, whereas CUBE extractions require very little force. Each tip works like a powered periotome for a speedy procedure. There are more than 40,000 general dentists placing implants. Many of them are doing extractions with immediate implant placement. CUBE is a must for any dentist that is performing this procedure due to its speed, power, ease of use, and minimally invasive nature. Specialists like periodontists and oral surgeons that are placing implants can also benefit from these advantages for extractions, as well as more advanced bone surgery procedures like sinus elevations and bridge splitting. Because the CUBE preserves the socket so well and causes such little trauma, it facilitates immediate implant placement. This is becoming the standard of care because everything can be done in one visit, as opposed to having to wait for healing to occur with a rotary burr. Contact us today to schedule a demonstration and see how CUBE can change your practice.